Just ordered this Bella Pro Series air fryer. It's going to replace this Insignia air fryer. Both were around. I'm not sure what I got this for because my brother got it for me as a gift. This one got for $40. So it looks like it's pretty much the same. Has different presets and easy to control temperature and time. So let me go open this up. I didn't show the box, but here's one side of the box. And here's another side showing all the good food you can cook. Finally, the front and back are pretty much the same. And so, open it up. There's this. It's like a manufacturing. I bought this from Best Buy. Ow! The instructions. This is me getting a paper cup. There's a two-prong. I'll take this out. So as you can see, it's a lot shorter than my existing Insignia. Comes taped on the sides, which I'm going to untape. Also has a protective covering on the top, which I'm not going to take over. I'm one of those types that never take off the protective covering. On my microwave I did that for a while, but my wife told me it looked pretty tacky. So it just plugs into here. What else can we do? Let's check the back. Back looks simple, just little vents in the back over here. Anything else? It's really simple design. Bottom over here, nothing fancy. More vents on the bottom over here. But I think we're ready to start. Comes with a tray. Which I'll have to wash. So I'm surprised that these trays come with like these plastic things. So I guess or rubber things. They're heat resistant rubber things. I wonder how they're gonna last after a year. But you just put it in like this and that's it, and it cooks. And that's it. But you can see it above it is the burner, and also probably above it is the convection part. So that's it. Comes in. Takes a little bit of effort to push it in. I'll have to give it a try later, but we'll see. Let me plug it in. Plugging it in. So I guess you have to press the power button. And then you can choose instantly you can choose the time or the temperature. It starts off as I don't know how to stop this. So there's a power and start button. I'm trying to find the off button. If you switch between menu, that allows you to switch between the different modes. Usually we'd use a different, what's it called, word other than menu to switch between the modes. You see it, it's right on air fryer right now. It goes to roast, goes to broil, to bake. And then from there you can customize if you need to adjust the temperature and adjust the time. The only thing I need to figure out is how to turn this off when I'm finished using it, other than right now. You saw what I did. I was turning down the time until it turned off. I know in other air fryers, when you turn it on, there's another button to turn it off. So let me try that one more time. And so I don't see a button to turn it off. Maybe I'm missing something. So maybe that's the worst part of this. There's no cancel button. Because you can open it, well, stop it, continue. There's a dehydrate function. I'm trying to get it to stop. So I'm going to use a different video to show you how to stop this Bella Pro series. It's probably the most complicated thing. So that's it. Looks pretty decent.